Curbside details are real crowd pleasers, but items like cafe furniture and bicycles need to be kept clean and looking like new. Some people store their details in a remote location. They spend a lot of time pulling them from storage in order to set them up for an open house, and they spend a lot more time putting them back away when the open house is done. Some of my buildings have detailed first floor interiors, but the second floor apartments are vacant. So I use the vacant second story apartments for storing my details. Second story storage keeps all the details associated with that building organized on site and ready to be set up or put away quickly. Second story storage is sheltered, but is not totally waterproof or bug proof, and so the details need to be kept in plastic containers or bags so they stay factory fresh for the next time they're needed for use. Removable flat roofs need to have some kind of stiffening to prevent them from sagging or warping from the heat of the sun. I keep my rolling stock on adjustable shelves. This way I can set the spacing between the shelves to match the height of the cars, and I could minimize the amount of wasted space. I cut these plywood strips a little bit narrower than the distance between the wheel flanges. They're very easy to cut, they don't have to be that accurate, and they do a good job of guiding the cars back into place. Down here on the bottom it's a little more difficult to reach, so this is where I keep trays with tools and bulk storage like the ballast rocks. So I hope this gives you some idea on how to store your stuff. If you liked the video, give it a like, and if you want to keep up with new content, please subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.